The crypto market just wrapped a highly bullish phase, with the global crypto market cap surging by 220 billion to reach a record high valuation of 3.8 billion as of Sunday. This upward trend was largely driven by Bitcoin, which surpassed the 100,000 milestone. However, several altcoins also capitalized on the momentum, achieving massive gains. Following their noteworthy performances last week, here are our top cryptocurrency picks to keep an eye on this week. JasmyCoin was a major beneficiary of last week's uptrend. It built on a momentum that began on November 27th and closed the week with an impressive 69 gain. See below. Introduced by Jasmy Corporation for the Ethereum-based Jasmy platform, Jasmy looks to combat concerns around data security. It operates on the Ethereum blockchain as an ERC-20, that the token soared by 27.49 on December 3rd, its largest intraday gain in nearly 10 months. Despite a slight pullback the next day, the asset engineered a more remarkable 45 rise on December 5th, eventually claiming a two-year peak of 0.0590. Jasmy has so far dropped to retest 0.047. Its relative strength index has also slumped to 68. The asset must retain 0.3912 to hedge against steeper drops. Below this, the next support rests on the 20-day MA at 0.03178. The Quant also began the week on a bullish note, riding on Bitcoin's uptrend to record a substantial weekly gain of 67. This marked one of its most bullish weekly performances this year. Quant is the ERC-20 utility token of the Quant blockchain project, designed to bolster interoperability among different networks through its Oval Legend network. The token has been one of the best performers in the ongoing bull run. Quant has been on an ascending channel since early November, with the bulls leveraging the lower trend line to defend a drop below 96 on DEC. As the bullish momentum wanes, Quant must hold above the Fibonacci 0.618 retracement at 126.3 to remain within the channel and sustain the uptrend. If the upsurge resumes, a push above 170.7 could trigger the start of a new explosive phase. Oval Ledger connects blockchains and traditional systems without requiring infrastructure changes. It supports the creation of multi-chain applications for seamless interaction across networks. Targeted at sectors like finance, healthcare, and supply chain, Quant facilitates use cases such as cross-border payments, supply chain transparency, and digital identity management. With partnerships including Oracle and Hyperledger, Quant stands out for integrating blockchain with regulated industries. Despite the prevalent uptrend in the market last week, cat and a dog's world largely consolidated. However, the meme coin managed a 2.5 weekly gain. Launched in March, MEW is a cat-themed Solana-based meme coin, standing out in a market dominated by dog-themed tokens. It gained attention by burning 90 of its supply at launch in May. The project also partnered with Locus Animation Studios to create a 3D animated series, further enriching its narrative and boosting its fanbase. Within hours of launch, MEW reportedly achieved 150 million in transaction value and attracted significant traction across the Solana ecosystem by December 1st. MEW began last week with an impressive 4.62 gain, but it all went downhill from there. The token collapsed 7.32 in 2 days, retesting the 0.0083 low and then consolidating at 0.009 following a mild recovery. Its MACD is also flashing a bearish trend, requiring an intervention to flip bullish. This week, MEW would have to recover above the pivot level at 0.010016 to turn its momentum bullish. Above this, the first resistance would rest at 0.01204, with a further roadblock at 0.01329. Disclosure: this article does not represent investment advice. The content and materials featured on this page are for educational purposes only.